classic geography chapter 5 major domains होता है. As we have read in the first chapter, the earth is the only planet which has life. Human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements of the land, water and the air present on the surface of the earth is a complex zone in which three main components of the environment meet and overlap and interact. The solid portion of the earth on which we live is called lithosphere. The gaseous layer that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere, where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases are found. Water covers a very big area of the surface and this area is called hydrosphere. The hydrosphere comprises water in all its form. That is the ice, water and the water from the ice. The narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of life. In the language, lithos means stone, atmos means vapor, hydor means water, bios means life. Lithosphere, the solid portion of the earth is called lithosphere. It comprises the rock of the earth crust and the thin layer of the soil that contains the nutrient element which sustain. देखो lithosphere, earth crust, thin layer of the soil, nutrient element की वजह से it sustains organism. There are two main division of the earth surface. The large land masses are known as the continent. The huge water bodies are called the ocean. Between all the oceans of the water connected with one another. Look at the map of the world. All the land masses connected with another. The level of the sea water remains the same. The level of sea water remains the same everywhere. Elevation of the land is measured from the level of the sea, which is taken as 0. नेक्स्ट की बात करते हैं. वर्ल्ड मैप तो देखा ही है. आई नॉट डिस्कस है. ओके. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is 8848 meter above the sea level. The greatest depth is 11022 meters, located at the maritime in the Pacific Ocean. Edmund Hillary, New Zealand के थे. Tenzing Norgay Sherpa, India के थे. We are the first men to climb the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, on the planet Earth on 29th May 1953. 29 May 1953. Junko Tabe, Japan, was the first woman to reach the summit on 16th May 1975. The first Indian woman to climb the highest peak on 23 May 1984 was Bichendri Pal. There are 7 major continents. These are separated by large water bodies. These continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Look at the map. Okay. Greater part of the land mass lies in the northern hemisphere. Asia is the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. The tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Asia is separated from the Europe by the Ural Mountains on the west. The combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called as Eurasia. Europe is much smaller than the Asia. The continent lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it. It is bounded by the water bodies on 3 sides. Africa is the second largest continent after the Asia. The सबसे बड़ा एशिया, इसी के बाद अफ्रीका. The equator of the 0-degree latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. Large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. You will find that it is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer भी pass करता है. Equator भी and Tropic of Capricorn भी. The Sahara Desert is the first सबसे बड़ा hot desert located in Africa. The continent is bounded on all sides by the oceans and the lake. You will notice that the world's longest river, वो Nile, वो भी यहीं पे है. सबसे बड़ा desert भी है, longest river भी है. Longest बोल रही हूँ, सबसे लंबी है. Notice where the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn passes in the map of the Africa. North America is the third largest continent of the world. It is linked to South America by a narrow strip of land called Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies completely in the northern and the western hemisphere. 3 oceans surround this continent. Can you name this ocean? Okay. उसके बाद फिर हम बात करते हैं साउथ अमेरिका लाइज मोस्टली इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर विच 2 ओशियन सराउंडेड ऑन द ईस्ट इन द ओशियन. इधर ईस्ट में कौन सा है? यू नो दैट अटलांटिक ओशन. वेस्ट में कौन सा है? पैसिफिक ओशन. स्टेट इन नैरो पैसेज. व्हाट इज स्टेट? इट इज अ नैरो पैसेज ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है. Narrow passage of water that is connecting 2 large water bodies. Narrow passage of water connecting 2 large water bodies like seas in the ocean. Now isthmus is a narrow strip of land joining 2 land masses. ठीक है. Okay. हाँ, साउथ अमेरिका वेस्ट टू ओशन बता दिया. द एंडीज वर द लॉन्गेस्ट माउंटेन रेंजेस रन थ्रू द लेंथ फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ टू द साउथ. अमेरिका है द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट रिवर. लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर अफ्रीका में नाइल. लार्जेस्ट रिवर अमेजॉन. ऑस्ट्रेलिया द स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट दैट लाइज एंटायरली इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर सराउंडेड ऑन ऑल साइड बाय द ओशन एंड द सी इज कॉल्ड द आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट ऑस्ट्रेलिया. अंटार्कटिका कंप्लीटली इन द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर इज अ ह्यूज कॉन्टिनेंट. Australia Antarctica पूरा साउथर्न हेमिस्फीयर में. The South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent. It is as it is located in the South Pole region, firmly covered with thick ice. There are no permanent human settlements. Many countries have a research station in Antarctica. India also has research station here. They are named as Maitri and the Bharti. हाइड्रोस्फीयर की बात करते हैं. द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड अ ब्लू प्लैनेट बिकॉज मोर देन 71% ऑफ द अर्थ इज कवर्ड वाटर. 29% इज कवर्ड विद लैंड. 71-29. हाइड्रोस्फीयर कंसिस्ट ऑफ वाटर इन ऑल इट्स फॉर्म एज रेनिंग वाटर इन ओशंस एंड रिवर्स एंड लेक, आइस इन द ग्लेशियर, अंडरग्राउंड वाटर एंड द वाटर वेपर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑल कंप्राइज द एटमॉस्फेयर. मोर देन 97% ऑफ द अर्थ्स वाटर इज फाउंड इन द ओशन एंड इज whose salty water means a large portion of the rest of the water is in the form of the ice sheet and the glacier or under the ground, and a very small portion is available as a fresh water. पूरा ओशन में 97.5% है, फ्रेश वाटर 2.5 है, and a very small percent is available as fresh water for human use. That is 2.5%. Okay, next. Okay, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia. This is Antarctica. use. Hence, despite being a blue planet, we face a shortage of water. Oceans are the major part of the hydrosphere. They are all interconnected. The ocean waters are always moving. The three chief movements of the ocean water are in the form of the wave, in the form of tide, and the ocean current. Wave, tide, and ocean current. The five major oceans are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. In order of the सबसे बड़ा Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Indian के बाद Southern के बाद Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Is spread over the 1/3 of the Earth. When the deepest part of the Earth lies in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia. एशिया हो गया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया हो गया, इधर नॉर्थ एंड साउथ अमेरिका सराउंडेड. लुक एट द मैप एंड फाइंड द लोकेशन ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ द पैसिफिक. अटलांटिक ओशन इज द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड. इट इज एस शेप. वो किस शेप का है जरा बताना. अभी यहीं लिखा था. इट इज ऑफ ओके ऑलमोस्ट सर्कुलर. और अटलांटिक ओशन कैसा है, एस शेप का. इट इज फ्लैंक्ड बाय द नॉर्थ एंड द साउथ अमेरिका ऑन द वेस्टर्न साइड, यूरोप एंड अफ्रीका ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड. द कोस्टलाइन ऑफ द अटलांटिक ओशन आर द हाईली इंडेंटेड. इस irregular indented coastline की वजह से it provides ideal location for the natural harbors and the port. Why it provide indented का क्या फ़ायदा है? It provide ideal location for the natural harbors and the port. From the point of the view of commerce, it is the busiest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. The shape of the ocean is almost triangular. In the north, it is bounded by the Asia. In the west by the Africa. In the east by the Australia. नॉर्थ में है एशिया, वेस्ट में अफ्रीका, ईस्ट में ऑस्ट्रेलिया. द सदर्न ओशन एनकल्स द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ द अंटार्कटिका एक्सटेंडिंग नॉर्थवर्ड टू 60 डिग्री साउथ लैटिट्यूड. द आर्कटिक ओशन लोकेटेड विद इन द आर्कटिक सर्कल सराउंड द नॉर्थ पोल. इज सराउंडेड कनेक्टेड विद द पैसिफिक ओशन बाय अ narrow stretch of shallow water known as the Bering Strait. It is bounded by the northern coast of North America and the Eurasia. Atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of a gas called the atmosphere. The thin layer. इसलिए यहाँ पे कुछ रहता नहीं क्या. Indented coastline. यहाँ पे Belfast है and this is Dublin. Okay. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases called atmosphere. This thin blanket of air is an integral and important aspect of the planet. It provides us integral and important. It provides with the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effect of the sun rays. The atmosphere extends up to a height of about 16 kilometers. The atmosphere divided into 5 layers based on the composition, temperature, and other properties. The layers starting from the earth's surface are called the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The atmosphere is made up of mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, which made up 99% of the clean dry air. अगर मैं clean और ड्राई एयर की बात करूँ तो उसमें नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन 99% बनाते हैं. नाइट्रोजन 78%, ऑक्सीजन 21%, एंड अदर गैसेस लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आगे अदर कंप्राइजेस द 1% बाय वॉल्यूम. ऑक्सीजन इज द ब्रेथ of life, while nitrogen helps in the growth of a living organism. Carbon dioxide, through present in minute amount, is water as it was heat radiated by the earth, thereby keeping the planet warm. It is also essential for the growth of the plant. The density of atmosphere varies with the height. It is maximum at the sea level and increases rapidly as we go up. Decreases rapidly as we go up. You know the climbers experience the problem in breathing due to this decrease in the density of the air. They have to carry with them oxygen cylinders to be able to breathe at the high altitude. Note the temperature also decreases as we go upward. तो temperature हो गया, density दोनों ही decrease कर जाती है. The atmosphere exerts pressure on the earth. This varies from place to place. Some areas experience high pressure and some areas low pressure. Air move from the high pressure to the low pressure. Moving air is known as high pressure to low pressure. Moving air is known as wind. Biosphere, the domain of the life. The biosphere is the narrow zone of the contact between the land, water, and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. There are several species of or organism की काफ़ी species and that vary in the size from the microbe and bacteria to huge mammal. All the living organism including humans are linked to each other and to the biosphere. So the organism in the biosphere may broadly be divided into the plant kingdom, animal kingdom. The three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. For example, the cutting of wood for fulfilling our need of food or clearing land for agriculture may lead to fast removal of soil from the slope. Similarly, the earth's surface may be changed due to natural calamities like an earthquake. For example, there could be submergence of land as happened in the case of the tsunami recently. A part of the Andaman and Nicobar Island was submerged under the at border. Discharge of the waste material into the lakes and the rivers make the water unsuitable for human use. It also damages other forms of life. Emission from industry, the thermal power plant and the vehicle pollute the air. Carbon dioxide is important as a constituent of air, but increase in the amount of CO2 leads to the increase in global temperature. This is देखो ऐसे CO2 is an important constituent of air. Increase करोगे तो temperature बढ़ेगा. This is known as global warming. There's a need to limit the use of the resources of the earth. हमें क्या करना चाहिए, अर्थ के रिसोर्स का यूज़ थोड़ा कम करना चाहिए to maintain the balance of the nature between the domains of the maintain the balance of nature. किसके बीच में between the domains of the lithosphere, atmosphere and the hydrosphere. Thank you.